We're going to do a brief video on Nvidia stock, NVDA stock. We've got a daily chart here for you of Nvidia with a 5-day moving average in green, a 20-day in red, and a 200-day moving average in blue. Nvidia is up today 5%, up $6 at $126.80. Daily range is 121 to 126. It's got a volume of 13 million shares on an average daily volume of about 57 million shares. Let's take a look real quick. We can see Nvidia has been in the bear market since April 7th of 2022, roughly. This is a 200-day moving average. Anything below the 200 days is considered a bear market. You can see it's got great respect for the 20-day moving average, and it continues to show that here in this last leg down. We had an oversold condition back here in July. Market rallied up towards the 200 and now has sold off, made some new lows here back in 13th of October around $108.13. And we've been getting a little rally here. This may be a low in Nvidia. It's hard to say because it's still deep in bear market territory. Most likely what we're going to see here is this price rally up a little bit to this one, maybe the 132-ish level, then sell back down to the low 120s and see if it catches some support. That's probably what's going to happen. It's all my opinion for entertainment purposes only, but that's what I'm looking at now when I take a look at Nvidia, because it's sold off sufficiently to rally a little bit just to correct an oversold condition. Let's take a look real quick at an hourly chart and see how it looks from an hourly perspective. This is an hourly chart with a 200-hour moving average. You can see we bounced off the 200-hour here on October 6th, and we're getting ready to bounce right here. The difference is this 200-hour starting to flatten out. We've gone sideways sufficiently long enough to flatten out this 200-hour moving average, and so we've got a chance of escaping this bear market, at least on an hourly chart, and maybe we'll do that today. Again, up $6 already. It'd have to probably get up to 10 or 12 bucks to escape this today, so maybe it's a little optimistic, but certainly by tomorrow you could be in bull market territory on an hourly chart. Let's jump ahead real quick and look at a weekly chart and see how that looks. You can see it's broken through 200-week moving average and put a fairly significant decline through that. So we're going to get resistance on this 200-week right at about the 128-ish level. So my analysis is it's probably going to go up to the low 130s and then come back down. I'll stick with that. And we've got to escape this 200-week moving average problem. That's a negativity for this stock, a huge negative in my opinion. But you can see this is the 20-week moving average still coming down. That's going to be resistance for this stock. But in general, I'm expecting a rally, as I said, and then a sell-off back down to see if we can catch some support probably into next week. Let's take a look and see what RBAM Research says about this stock. We cover Nvidia. Let me find it here real quick. Let's just plug it in. And Nvidia is on here for a 1-day, 5-day, and 20-day holds. These are trading periods, trading days, and 117 at the low end 1 day and 119.86. Let's see, our range is 121.05 to 126.75. So it does not look as traded. It has not traded low enough yet to hit any of those prices. The way these works, you get in today, assuming your own analysis says it's a good idea, and you get out at the end of 1, 5, or 20 trading days and just use your prices from respective columns. Of course, for entertainment purposes only, you have to do your own analysis. But these come out every morning before 7 a.m. and these are out for today, the 20th. You can see Apple has some zeros. That means the algorithm didn't think it was a good day to buy Apple. And NIO has some prices. Tesla does not. So that's the way these work. You can get access to all of our stocks, 190 plus stocks at rbamresearch.com. Entry prices coming out every morning before 7 a.m. Absolutely free, no credit card required. In addition, we cover the major forex pairs, BTC crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts. If you go over early the night before, you can usually get all this before just after 6 p.m. the night before, but officially 7 a.m. the morning of. There's a link in the description. Just follow it over there. Sign up with your email address. Absolutely free, no credit card required. Keep in mind, everything you've seen and heard on here is for entertainment purposes only. You can't use our entry prices or commentary for anything other than entertainment. You should always do your own analysis, and you definitely trade at your own risk. If you like this video, please click the like button. If you want to subscribe, please do that as well. And if you have a great comment for us, we'd love to hear it in the comment section below.